I'm Prakash, Academic Advisor, Masterminds. Here is a very small video on how to get internet if Wi-Fi internet facility is not there in your locality. So even though Wi-Fi facility is not there in your locality, I hope that 4G internet service might be available in your town or village, because nowadays 4G network have widespread even to the nook and corners of the country. So I'm confident that 4G internet network might be available in your locality. So identify the service provider who is able to get better signal in your locality. For example, we have service providers like Airtel, Vodafone, Reliance Jio. So identify the service provider who is able to give you better signal in your particular locality. After that, you can purchase a product called Wi-Fi hotspot. The product name is Wi-Fi hotspot. Let us assume in your locality Airtel is able to give you better signal. Then please search for a product called Airtel Wi-Fi hotspot in Amazon or Flipkart or some other e-commerce website. Go to that website and search for a product called Airtel Wi-Fi hotspot. So once we search for this product, here are the search results. Here you are able to see a product for around 1800 rupees. Click this product. So this is a small device. You can insert an Airtel SIM card in this particular device. In this device, you can insert an Airtel SIM card, that is 4G SIM card in this particular device. This device also comes with inbuilt battery. For example, this device comes with a battery capacity of 2300 milliamps. So you insert the 4G SIM card in this device. Keep it in an open space because it comes with an inbuilt battery. You can keep it in an open space so that signal reception will be good, and through this device you will be able to get internet through Wi-Fi. That means it will act as a virtual Wi-Fi router. And you can connect any device, either it is a mobile phone or a laptop or a tab, any device you can connect because it is going to provide you Wi-Fi signal. So this is called Wi-Fi hotspot. You can purchase this device at a very nominal price. Let us assume some people may say that, sir, I don't want to stick on to Airtel. I need a device which can accept any SIM card. In such a case, simply search for a product called, don't mention Airtel, simply search for Wi-Fi hotspot. Now you will be able to see some products. Which can support SIM cards of any service providers. For example, here there is a product from Huawei. So it supports SIM cards of any service provider. Since this can support SIM cards of any service provider, generally it will be little bit costly. But if you decide to stick to a particular service provider, then you can purchase the Wi-Fi router of that service provider, which is generally economical. For example, you just want to take internet from Jio, then you can type Jio Wi-Fi hotspot. You can search for a product called Jio Wi-Fi hotspot. So this is Airtel. Yeah, this is Reliance Jio. So generally, if you stick to a particular service provider, then it will be economical. If you want product which can support any of the SIM cards, then it will be little bit costly affair. And remember, always purchase a Wi-Fi hotspot with inbuilt battery For example, look at this product. This also acts as a Wi-Fi hotspot, but unfortunately, this does not consist of an inbuilt battery. So this is suitable if you want to attach it to a laptop or a desktop. But the product that I have shown earlier can be used even without a laptop or desktop. So that's why it's always better to purchase a Wi-Fi hotspot with inbuilt battery. Keep all these things in mind so that you can purchase a good Wi-Fi hotspot and you can get good Wi-Fi signal even without a Wi-Fi connection. All the best.